word families for our early learners, early readers. H Week, brought to you by AMSIN. Check us out on the web at americanschoolofelenglish.info. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to do some OB family words. Here's a simple review. OB, 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 OB. VC word. Short sound O, short sound B. Vowel sound A, consonant sound B, B. OB. Ready? Let's go. K-ob, cob. K-ob, cob, cob. G-ob, gob. G-ob, gob, gob. J-ob, job. J-ob, job, job. M-ob, mob. M-ob, mob, mob. R-ob, rob. R-ob, rob, rob. S-ob, sob. S-ob, sob, sob. D-ob, dob. D-ob, dob, dob. F-ob, fob. F-ob, fob, fob. H-ob, hob. H-ob, hob, hob. P-ob, pob. P-ob, pob, pob. T-ob, tob. T-ob, tob, tob. O-B, ob, ob. R-ob, wob, wob. R-ob, wob, wob. Let's do that one more time. Ob, ob. Ready? Cob, gob, job, mob, rob, sob, dob, fob, hob, pob, tob, wob. Ready? Let's do that one more time. Repeat after me. Cob. Now you say it. Gob. Now you say it. Job. Now you say it. Mob. Now you say it. Rob. Now you say it. Sob. Dob. Fob. Hob. Pob. Tob. Wob. Good job. Let's do some simple sentences to encourage our pre-readers to read a little. Ready? A big corn cob. A big corn cob. 2. A gob of jelly. A gob of jelly. 3. My job is fun. My job is fun. 4. A mob of people eating. A mob of people eating. 5. Don't rob people. Don't rob people. Ready? A big corn cob. A gob of jelly. My job is fun. A mob of people eating. Don't rob people. Good, let's move on. 6. He sobbed over his dog. He sobbed over his dog. Let's cook on the hob. Let's cook on the hob. 9. Put mail in the pob. Put mail in the pob. Let's do that one more time. He sobbed over his dog. Ready? He sobbed over his dog. Let's cook on the hob. Let's cook on the hob. Put mail in the pob. Put mail in the pob. Good job. And that concludes our Word Family Ob segment for today. Tune in next time for our Ed Family segment. Thank you. This segment was brought to you by AMSEN. Like and subscribe.